You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is negative 40, 41. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals negative 78, y1 equals 47. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals negative 2, y2 equals 35. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals negative 78. x2 equals negative 2. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals 47. y2 equals 35. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is negative 40, 41.